Hi, I'm Zach, and my topic is going to be on how Japan has displayed its unique cultural identity through writing, artistic traditions, and also how their myths have affected their culture. And I want to show how both joy and hardship has been brought from this. For a background on historical events that have occurred in Japan, I want to use things like World War II, as well as things that have influenced their history. And I'll show this through different artworks that have been influenced, as well as different poetries that have been influenced. The main piece of evidence that I want to use to show the poetry is being influenced is a poem called The Journey Through the Light and Shadow. It was a post-war free verse, and it essentially explained how the atomic bombs affected Japan and how their government went through changes after everything after the war. Another thing I want to talk about is not only how the historical events were displayed, but how nature has influenced and been influenced by Japanese art through things such as temples, as well as how they choose to live their lives, rather working with nature rather than against it. I also want to talk about how their culture and moral values have been affected by myths and stories. Japan deprives a lot of their values from these stories and use it to teach their kids and even live their lives based off of these stories. In the end, I want to be able to show how Japan has changed over its history and grown into the country that has influenced the world today.